inspire us to compete. Winning over losing is much more sweet. We play because we love to play, cause life without sport must not be the same. Plenty of hard work and lot of sweat as we push our body to a virtual extent. Sports bring out our inner drive. With the sports, we learn to strive. We sacrifice everything for the sports because a healthy body is our goal. A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Dhanmala, on behalf of Mata Bhati Devi School, welcomes you all in this special morning. As we always believe to move ahead in all the circumstances, no matter how the difficult situation is. Coronavirus is one of the hurdles for us, but it is privilege for me to proudly announce that we are adding one more feather in our hat by organizing Spirit 2021, the virtual sports day. I heartily welcomes to our chairman sir, Mr. Prem Sukh Jakar, principal sir, Mr. Sunny Jakar, academic head, Ms. Gitanjali Goswami, coordinators and teachers. We are glad to have you all here on this day to celebrate the Virtual Sports Day Spirit 2021. A very warm welcomes to the parents who encourage their children to participate and make this event truly worthwhile. My heart is overjoyed to see such enthusiastic participation by all our students. So audience, are you ready to enter the world of the fun and entertainment? So here we go. The fire has an importance in the games. In the context of the modern games, flame is a manifestation of the positive values that man has always associated with the symbolism of fire. The purity of flame is guaranteed by the special way of lighting it, the sun rays. A flame is carried by relay all the way to its final destination. So here comes our abode of peace, friendship, Mehreen, Aqdas, Samar and Omanj, carrying relay fire with the message that no matter we lose or win, games will never lose its importance.
The students of Mata Bhati Devi promise to take part in all sports and games. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
I declare sports meet open.
So now we are going to start the sports day with opening ceremony. In today's society, yoga is an invaluable gift of Indians' ancient tradition. The act of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body and soul. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscle strength and body tone. Yoga is a way of living towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. So audience, let's put your hands together and invite the students to show some yoga posture.
Thank you.
सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं, मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी। योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी। योग धारा छलक छन छन, सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी। उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
What a stupendous performance by the students. What are you waiting for? Give them a huge round of applause, please. These days, parents complain that most of the kids spend more time on computer, video games and television, which make them be inactive in their lifestyles. So making the children overweight and are usually less physically fit as they don't engage in activities which burn calories. Hence, sports education is very much essential for the kids. Participating in sports and other physical activities have many benefits for children. Physical activities always stimulates the physical and mental growth of a child. And also it is not just limited to being fit, but has a good effects on their studies as well. Education is a partial without sports. So sports and physical activities are very important and it has to be encouraged in our school curriculum. Therefore, it is necessary to put emphasis on sports. Now the students of class 1 to 3 are ready to compete in balloon bursting by grade 1, hit the target by grade 2 and dribbling the ball by grade 3. Fill the air with cheering and tons of encouragement for the young participant. Please give them a huge round of applause. So first, the students of grade 1 are coming to compete balloon bursting game. In this game, 10 blown balloons are arranged by the parents, keeping a distance of 7 feet between the students and the bucket filled with balloons. Students will burst more balloon by sitting on them. The student who will burst maximum number of balloons in 1 minute will be the winner. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Congratulations to the winners. Now the students of grade 2 are coming to play a game named Hit the Target. In this game, students will throw the ball in the bucket by maintaining a distance of 2 meters between the bucket and the students. The students who will throw maximum number of balls into the bucket in 30 seconds will be the winner. So let's start the game. Congratulations to the winners. And now the students of grade 3 are going to compete with each other with the game named Dribbling the Ball. In this game, students will stand and dribble the ball on the floor with one hand till 30 seconds. The students who will dribble maximum counts within 30 seconds will be the winner. So let's start the game. Congratulations to all the winners. What an energetic participation. It makes us more excited to see what's coming ahead. Basically, both sports and dance work on the mental and the physical health. Hence, dance is just another form of the sport, but in an aesthetic way. So now we are going to witness some dance by our little ones to entertain the audience with their performance. So let's put your hands together and invite the students to take us into the world of dancing.
Let's go. losing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on up, feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
What a stupendous performance by the students. What are you waiting for? Give them a huge round of applause, please. In order to make the event more interesting, we have planned few more games for grade nursery and grade KG. The games are star jump for grade nursery and bowling for grade KG. It's time to welcome the tiny tots of grade nursery. In this game, students of nursery grade will make a star with their arms and legs. One who makes the maximum number of stars, complete stars within 30 seconds will be the winner. So let's cheer all the participants. Congratulations to all the winners. Now the students of grade KG are coming for bowling. In this game, students will arrange 9 bottles and will get 3 chances to hit all the bottles with the ball. The one who will hit all the balls in one time will be the winner. So let's cheer all our participants. congratulations to all the winners. I'm sure after all these performances, you all are forced to think कि काश मैं भी student होता. People sometimes ask me why all the ceremonies has dance. Then my answer is simply why not? Dance gives us joy. The happiness that dance provides is not really something that can be explained. It has to be felt. Perhaps dance is the medium through which we show the world who we truly are. Also, dance is the best way to portray the inner feeling or to give a message to a society. Yes, the message. Message that sports help us in leading life the right way. Message that sports help us keep fit, remain active, and when playing in teams. Message that sports inculcate discipline, self-esteem, confidence and teamwork. So let's welcome our participant for umbrella dance.
सभी भाइयों और बहनों को राम राम। तुझी पे से खिदमत है आज का प्रोग्राम।
अय्या सुकु सुकु
अय्या करूं मैं क्या सुकु सुकु अय्या करूं मैं क्या सुकु सुकु खो गया दिल मेरा सुकु सुकु अय्या करूं मैं क्या सुकु सुकु कोई मस्ताना कहे कोई दीवाना कहे कोई परवाना कहे जलने को बेपरार चाहत का मुझ पे असर मैं दुनिया से बेखबर चलता हूँ अपनी डगर मंजिल है मेरी प्यार
अय्या सुकु सुकु
What a stupendous day it was. I'm grateful to all the students who volunteered to participate in this event and make Spirit 2021 successful. I hope you all have witnessed a volcano of talent erupting and we have lived to our expectation. Now our very dear respected coordinator ma'am herself will address us, and the vote of thanks which ma'am is going to deliver just now I'm sure will resonate in our soul till we gather again for yet another program with a new volcano ready to erupt with new colors. I would now like to invite our very dear and respected coordinator ma'am to say a few words.
A graceful and warm morning to everyone present here. It is my privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this special occasion. On behalf of Mata Bharati Devi Public School, I extend my most sincere thanks to the God for their countless blessings and making the day magnificent one. Further, a big thanks to our respected Principal Sir for awakening the passion and desire to support us as a ladder to reach the pole of success. Your constant encouragement has helped us in the best way. Thank you so much, sir. Talent wins game, but intelligence and teamwork wins champions. Here, sport is a platform to showcase children's talent. It is all about having fun, being physically active, learning of the basic of the sport. I extend a heartfelt thanks to my wonderful parents for their contribution and continuous support for making the event success. Thank you so much, dear parents. Now, it's time to thank all the staff for their cooperation. Event like this cannot happen overnight. So, as the wheel starts rolling weeks ago and require planning and bird's eye for detail, Here, we are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of dedicated and motivated staff of our school. Thank you all once again. Now, in the last, I would like to thank all the participants of this event. Dear student, success is only for those who work hard and run till the end. So dear student, run your destination with strong determination. Thank you all once again. I would like to take your leave with the feeling of happiness and gratitude. Thank you so much.
The memories of this Virtual Sports Day Spirit 2021 will last for long. Once again, congratulations to all the winners. And thanks to all the parents who are here with us, full of enthusiasm, cheering for the students. You have always been our constant source of inspiration. Thanks a lot, dear parents. With your support, we are able to conduct such programs. With this, I am concluding the program. I would like to thank you all for your gracious presence. May I now request everyone to rise up for the national anthem.
H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you.